Hello everyone, my name is Sundus. Today I'll present the final project of course CS50 Introduction to Database, and my project name is Maktabty, which means in Arabic my own library. And the main idea of this project is like an electronic library, so you can make reviews or rate some books or authors, and also you can follow authors or use other users you want. So the most important tables we have authors, users, and books, and we have also many associative tables as we will see right now in our entity relational diagram to create interacts from one entity to others. So we have users entity, you can make connections from one user to others, so we created an associative table called connections, and to interact from users to authors we created a table called following authors, and from authors to books to created some like adding books in its profile or track status of book, we created an associative table called chosen books. And to create a relation from many to many from authors and books, we created an associative table called author to book. And right now we will talk about our entities or tables. So in users table we have basic identifiers like ID, username, first and last name, and email and bio. And connections, as we said, it's like a link from user's entity to itself, and we have entity called authors, so it has its basic identifiers also like ID, name, nationality, and biography. We created also an entity called books for short for books, and it has ID, title, published year, and type, and overview about some book. And to create a relation many to many from author to book, as we said, we created author to book. And chosen books is for books we want to add in our profile, and has some attributes like book status and started to read or not, and review, and for save if we want to save or not. And for optimizing we add some indexing and viewing tables. So in many cases we want to create, update, delete, or something like that. It's have to be something unique, so we choose the username and create an index for that. And we created an index for full name if you want to search for someone, and for books by title and types. And we created view for book rates if you want to know the most popular to least one, and for followed authors we create also a view table. And that's all for now, and thank you.